Want to give your electric fireplace a more realistic look? In this video, we'll share some simple tips to transform your electric fireplace into a cozy and authentic focal point in your home. Start by choosing realistic fireplace logs or embers to enhance the look of the flames. Many electric fireplaces come with these features, but you can always upgrade them for a more natural appearance. Next, focus on your fireplace's mantel and surround. Adding a stylish mantel or custom surround can make your electric fireplace blend seamlessly with your home decor. Consider using materials like stone or wood for that real wood fireplace feel. You can also improve the ambience by playing with lighting effects. Layered lighting around the fireplace helps create a warm and inviting glow. Opt for realistic flame technology that mimics the flickering movement of real fire. To complete the look, decorate around the fireplace with cozy accents like candles, books, or a fireplace screen. These elements will make the space feel even more authentic and inviting. By following these tips, your electric fireplace can look just as realistic as a traditional one. For more information, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.